Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And recently I gave Azure Data Fundamentals certification exam and I passed it with 952 marks. So thank you very much. So I wanted to tell you guys as well how I prepared for exam and how I can help you prepare for your exam as well. So Azure Data Fundamentals is a certification for entry level data engineer. So anyone who is interested in Azure data engineering can give this exam, and it is very entry level or very basic exam, so it would be very simple to pass as well. So how I prepared for it is I went through this YouTube tutorial. This was very simple. This was only 1.5 hours. So just take a copy pen, note down everything, and just go through the video. Okay, so except this, I did go through some other documents, some small, medium tutorials. So it's up to you, but I think this was good enough for clearing the exam. Along with this, I did give some practice tests. So this is on Udemy. They have like four practice tests, and you can select any of these. So the good thing is the format of these practice tests is very much similar to the real exam. There are some format which is little bit different, but they have tried to cover most of the format, most of the type of the questions. So once you begin the test, you will have questions and you can select any answer, click on next question, read through the question and select any answer which you think would be good. And once you are done, after 45 minutes, the timer would be out, or you can just click on the finish test. When you click on the finish test, it will tell you how much score you got, and you can review all the questions. So it will tell you all the questions with some explanation. So it will tell you which was the right answer, which was the wrong answer. So this is the correct answer. I did not select any answer in this one, and then give you some explanation with some, reference URL as well. So this is very good. They have explained it with graphs, they have explained with images. So it is really good. It helped me quite a lot. I will give the link to this practice test in the description, and that would be discounted link. So you will get some discount on that. So please do not forget to buy this practice test through that link itself because you will get some discount. Otherwise, you'll have to pay the full amount. So best of luck for your exams. Just go through these tutorial and this practice test, and I think you should be good to go. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.